Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, I will share with you the complete list of MBA and MCA colleges through ICET. Many students get confused about which college to choose, what is the cutoff rank for their caste, what is the tuition fee, and which university the college is affiliated to. Don't worry, I have got Excel and PDF files that contain all these details in one place. These files contain every detail you need before choosing a college: institute code, institute name, place where this institute is located, district, co-education, whether it is girls college, boys college, or co-education, college type, whether it is government or private college, year of establishment, when that institute was established, branch code is nothing but whether that college offers MBA course or MCA course. MBA course I have highlighted it with light yellow color, and MCA I have highlighted it with light pink color. Then caste-wise cutoff rank, so you can check your caste category and see how much rank is needed to get admission in that college. Then we have tuition fee, and affiliated to is nothing but university affiliation. To which university the college is affiliated, we can see that in this column. Whether that college is affiliated to Usmania University, JNTU, Palamur University, Kakatiya University, Satavahana University, all the university affiliations we can see here in this column. With this data, you can easily decide which colleges you want to keep in your web options during counseling. This will help you plan smartly and avoid last minute confusion. I have shared these PDFs and Excel files in our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel link is given in this video description. So go to this video description, check out that link, click on that link, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends who are confused about selecting MBA or MCA colleges. Together we can help many students choose the best college for their future. So, all the very best for your ICET counseling. If you are facing any difficulty or if you are having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our Telegram channel for these PDFs. Bye bye.